Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, 1955 Bel Air. This is a real VC car and just done over the top. Got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
Good.
What a beautiful day, huh?
Beautiful.
So tell us about your ride.
It's a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Car was born and raised on Long Island.
Cool.
And it's got a Rack-N-Pinion front suspension.
Disc brakes up front.
Disc brakes up front, drums in the rear.
Okay.
It's got 11,000, a little over 11,000 miles on it since it's been built.
Very cool.
It's red and white. It's pure white with 1992 Chrysler candy apple red.
Yeah, it's got a lot of metallic in it. Very, very nice.
Air conditioned.
Power steering, power brakes. General Motors 350 under the hood.
350.
Billet Specialty wheels, right?
Billet Specialty.
With brand new tires. Beautiful fitment of all the panels. Custom interior. You have all the restoration photos and receipts and everything, right?
All the documentation.
It's got a nice stance.
Car comes with another roll of interior material if somebody wanted to finish the trunk.
Oh, that's nice. How long have you owned it?
I'm sorry?
How long have you owned it?
Since we built it.
Oh, wow.
It was built in Pennsylvania, out of Shippensburg, Pennsylvania. East Coast, I think restorations. I don't remember the name of it. I know the fella, Vinny Scalabino.
About 20 years ago or so?
Yeah.
Shows well. 4-speed manual.
Right, it's got an M21 4-speed, 355 Posi rear.
Very nice.
17s on the wheels.
Mm-hmm. And those are forged wheels with Billet Specialties. Those are not cheap. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Super straight body. Look how straight the body is. It's just beautiful. Can you fire it up? Sounds great. Mild cam, right? Got headers leading to dual exhaust, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Looks like a Lecara coil back there. Tubular A-Arms. Rack-N-Pinion steering, like we said. Poly 650 carburetor. Nice big air cleaner. Air and everything works. Custom interior. Nicely bolstered seats. Wow, Lecara steering wheel. It's leather wrapped. Digital gauges. Showing 11,289 miles. Also has the matching clock on this side. Pioneer sound. Air conditioning. It works very, very nice. Custom door panels with billet handles. I like how you match the back seat to the front seats. Very nice. flappers work. A lot of metallic in the paint too. Shows really well. Pretty car. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's WeBeAutos.com. Thanks for showing us your car. Beautiful.
Thank you.